Previously on TMT channel, a quick review and unboxing of the HyperX Quadcast S. If you haven't seen the video, please click the link here on the top right corner of this video. And today, I'm going to unbox and set up the Thronmax Zoom S3 boom arm, and I will show you my Minimalist desk setup as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe for more videos of unboxing and reviews, and some music and travel videos as well. This is Herbert, and welcome back to my channel. This is the Thronmax Zoom S3 boom arm. This microphone boom arm was designed for convenience and style. But before we dive in and discuss more about this product, let's do the unboxing. I'm going to show you my desk that I'm currently using. This is the IKEA Meek desk, an all-white table which looks really nice. I'm a big fan of minimalist setups, so I bought the white color. As you can see here, the edge of the table won't really fit the clamp, as what normally people do. They will clamp their boom arm at the edge of the table. So the only choice I have here is to put it inside the hole in the middle. This is not really ideal, but I think it should work. The Thronmax Zoom boom arm is easy to set up. It comes with a clamp and a grommet mount. I'm going to use this clamp for easy installation. As you can see, there is a hole in the middle of my table. So I'm going to put it here. And let's see and find the best position. If I put it this way, you can see the hole. And if I put it on the left side, still visible. So I guess this is the most ideal way to clamp this. Although I can still see the hole, but I guess this is fine for me. So let's tighten it up and fix this clamp. What I like about the Thronmax Zoom S3 boom arm is that it has a clip-on cable holder to keep cables tidily stored away. It offers a 360-degree rotatable boom with a rotary knob that allows you to shift the microphone and make angle adjustments with ease. A dual suspension springs on each section of the boom arm help isolate your microphone from vibrations, so you won't hear rumble and shaking noises. Also, the springs help secure your microphone in place. When you're not using the boom arm, you will appreciate the foldable scissor design, which lets you fold for easy storage and transport. Most vocal and dynamic microphones can be supported with the included thread. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next time. Adios.